This is a quick video to show you how to use the report builder to create a report of inactive records. In this video, we will create a report for all inactive records in the past year. Let's get started. After logging into your instance, on your side menu, you will click on the Analytics option. You will then click on Custom Reports. Click on the green Create button on the top right-hand corner and select Advanced Report. Here, you will set up the following: data source, standard views, table/view, view account contact, report type, tabular, report name, inactive records report, report description, report for all records that have not interacted with us in the past year. Make sure to check your shared report and select the folder. Once you fill out all of this, click Save. This will take you to the report editor. Here, you will add your columns, this being what information you'd like to see in your report. Click Add New. For this example, we will add the following: contacts.firstname, contacts.email, and contacts.salesfusion last activity. Once you have added your columns, you will then add your filters. Click on the Filter tab and click Add New. Here, you will be able to configure your filters. For this example, we will only add one. Contacts.salesfusion last activity is less than or equal to days subtract 365 plus. This will provide us with all the records in the system that have been inactive in the past year. Once this is set, you can then click on the Run Report on the top right-hand corner and select Run Preview, and you'll be able to see that your report is pulling all records in the system that have been inactive in the past year.